Hi, I'm Nezvers and I do stuff. This time I want to show you, in my opinion, best performing approach for tile destruction. Doesn't it look great, huh? And if you want, you can make it look random. Sorry, Godot doesn't like multiple screens. So you can create like this that looks like an actual explosions. Let's go through them. So all you need is create a class without any extensions. That means you can create on the spot, just call class new and give parameters to these arguments that get plugged in init method. And all this explosion needs is reference to tile map and global position. That gets converted to world to map position, so we get to know which tile we pressed, the cell position. And here are hard-coded positions that is like expanding explosion, like starts from center, then bigger, a bit more bigger, and the biggest. What I created is like a center, then up, down, left, right, then ring around, then ring around. Yeah, and you actually can make like even procedurally generated positions, and you can create bunch of different shapes and choose randomly and create like that. But okay, let's go and take a look. So we get cell position, and there's collection of all those shapes. It steps through each size, like rings. So each shape steps through all these positions that are like offsets from cell position we clicked on. So we tell our map, tile map, to set cell in this position plus offset, and set it to empty tile. And for visual effect, I created yield. You can actually put that yield after each remove cell, and you get this cute look. I like it. Yeah, that's that. But you can, as I said, you can create that as a random explosion. So I get position, I chose 80 pixels to the right, up, left, down, count 6 explosions spawned for each explosions, go through, gets random positions and creates those explosions. That's it. And I have this project in GitHub. Link is in description. If you like this video and want more, please subscribe and press like. You know the good stuff. And see you later.